Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a QuadLock on your Ninja 650. Now realistically, I'm showing myself how to install a QuadLock on a Ninja 650. Haven't done this before, but watched one video and I think it's possible. So there's going to be a couple things we need for this little install. First is the QuadLock, which is the fork stem mount Pro, and this is the vibration dampener. Alrighty guys, so this is your fork stem mount, and this is where your QuadLock is gonna go. This little thing, people say grab a little flathead, but you can realistically take it out with your nails if you have some. I'm a dirty bitch, so yeah. Oh yeah guys, keep this in case you guys need it for later. You guys might need it later, so make sure you keep this somewhere safe. Put it in. I'm actually gonna go a little bit wider, because I might have to lift it up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can still see. Maybe bring it a little bit closer. This is where the QuadLock will sit. I saw this girl install hers and she said like it sat up like a centimeter or two or something like that. But so far this is pretty good. So right here there's gonna be like a little Allen key hole. Right now I'm tightening it. It's a little loose. I don't know if it's a little crooked. I think it's a little crooked. So let me just. Now we have to install the dampener. Ooh, let me move this a little bit. This is how it looks when it's installed. This is just the arm part. Now we actually have to install the dampener. The last thing you do is just put on this quad case and see if it works. Case is on. Literally, I just got the black one. They had like a McLaren one or something like that, but this is cool. Alright, this is pretty interesting. I am gonna tighten up the main fork. Well, the stem or whatever. Just push this in. Fire. Now from here, it's about just getting this one tightened. Honestly, those are pretty easy install. Probably took like around like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, not that long. Probably gonna fasten it here a little bit better, make it a little bit more tight. It's pretty good. I'm gonna go test it out. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me or what the dealio. So this is the first test run of the Action 5. We're about to go to the gas station, get some gas. Alright guys, this is where we're at right now. We're in my neighborhood, cruising. Super nice day. I literally just got back from Nashville. I was in Nashville for like a couple days, almost a week. We went for like a baby shower type of deal. It was pretty fun. Got to see a lot of cousins and stuff like that. Yeah, let me know how the audio sounds. Well, I'll probably know that before you guys, but hopefully the audio doesn't sound too bad. I didn't put it in a good spot just because I didn't know how OD I wanted to go with the setup, but I'm thinking about kind of gluing a part of it to the to the actual helmet, because there's like no place to put it at, and I don't want to put it behind a pad or something. So yeah. But it's my life, bro. Stop sign. No cop, no stop. I do not have exhaust. I do not have an exhaust on my motorcycle yet. Definitely want to get something, but at the same time I don't, because okay, well, at the same time I don't, and I do want to get one just because, like, that situation right there where like cars are just pulling out. Yeah, my motorcycle needs to be a little bit louder than that. But yeah, man, like, just need an exhaust. But the exhaust on these things sound kind of trash, low key. I think they sound kind of trash. I ain't gonna lie. I think it's just this engine don't sound like like an inline 4 or something like that. It's like not really like nice to hear when it's loud, I guess. But yeah. Check both sides. There's some cars coming, so I'm just probably gonna wait. It's a big ass truck. Oh, I think he's turning this way. Okay, let me go. Thank you, sir. I'm still in braking. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because now we're in the wind and I don't know how this is gonna sound. But yeah, currently we are at almost at 200 miles. We're literally almost there. Yeah, after that it's like the first little break-in, I guess, and then after 200 it's 400 and 600. First 200 you can't rev it above 4,000 RPM if you want to like prolong the motor or whatever. Once it hits 200 miles, which we probably should be hitting here soon. There's another biker, shout out to him, give him a little wave. I'm gonna talk about the whole waving to motorcycle people later, because yeah, it was just when I first started driving, when I first started driving motorcycles, it was kind of just weird saying hello. Plus, I didn't have like the balance to be like, you know, what's up. But now it's pretty cool. But like I said, guys, 200 is the first like maintenance check. After that, you can rev it up to 6,000, and then at 400,000 miles, 400,000 miles, what the fuck? At 400 miles, then there's like another little break-in where you can accelerate a little bit more, and then 600 you give it the full beans. Yeah. Oh, stop. Check both ways, check both ways, okay. I wonder if other motorcyclists think that I'm out here doing bad shit. Just because I literally have a whole setup right now. Like, I have my fucking Action Pro and a mic and my QuadLock. I mean, QuadLock is not really like Instagram-y or TikTok boy type shit. But this, the freaking mic, the freaking camera setup, yeah, I think that just screams like, hey, come get me. Oh my god, talking about come get me, your boy forgot his fucking permit shit and the registration, insurance, and all that shit. So hopefully we don't get pulled over today, boys, because that's kind of rough. Yeah, I literally totally forgot about that. I'm just gonna fill up gas and then get some Chick-fil-A for the girls, because my girls are hungry and they want to eat, so I'm gonna give them a little food. Turn the love. can't wait to give this thing like full beans. Right now I'm just like stuck in this little RPM mode or whatever, but can't wait to give it the full beans. Hopefully this mic ain't pulling up. Hopefully this mic ain't picking up all the wind noise, all that jazz, you know. I need to get some gas first, and then after I get the gas, yeah, man, we're gonna go get the Chick-fil-A. Thank God there's a sheets. Ugh. I'm sorry guys, if you had to hear that, I'm super sorry. Probably won't put it on there. Oh no, 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 no. We gotta give it a little. We're going straight, so hopefully we can make this light. If not, I'm gonna cry. I wanna make this light. Please make this light. Please make this light. I wanna make this light, please. Please, please. Thank you, Daddy. Alright, guys. Gotta get some gas. Shouldn't take that much to fill up. I think last time I filled up it for like $4. Shouldn't be that bad. Yo, I'm always afraid of like those people that like get the shit stuck. Oh, I just got it off. Yo. She thirsty today. Oh yeah, it's pretty full. Gonna leave it like that. Yeah. Not that bad, $6. Alright, now we're about to head to Chick-fil-A. This shit's hot. Hopefully the camera doesn't overheat. Yeah. I'm low-key glad it's not as hot anymore. Oh my gosh.
Embarrassing.
Just stalled. That was my first stall ever. No cap. Alright, so you guys just saw. Your boy just stalled. That was the first time I ever stalled low-key. Yeah. It happens. And I pressed the freaking beeper shit too. But yeah. See how this goes. Everything's good. Turn.
Embarrassing.
Oh, this wind feels so good. Right, just feeling the wind feels so good. But yeah, bro, I'm still learning how to drive. Clearly, as you just saw, I'm still fucking learning how to drive. Like, I'm not a pro out here. I'm not whatever. Yeah. The whole reason of this YouTube channel was just basically show my wife the rides, show them how they are, show her that it's not that bad to, like, you know, ride a motorcycle. It's actually pretty fun, whatnot. But yeah, I'm about to go to Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is right here. Bro, I literally wish I could Yo, I'm actually kind of glad I can't like fully go on this thing, because I probably would have died by now. You know, and I'm pretty sure I can like rev it out, whatever, and actually go that fast, but I ain't trying to fuck shit up, you know? Riding over here. I just got back from, I don't know if I said this already, but I just got back from Nashville. I was in Nashville for like a couple weeks, and it was pretty much fun. But the sucky thing is I literally left the motorcycle back and couldn't drive it. I wish I had like my full license, guys. I only have my permit. Yeah, you guys are learning a lot right now, but yeah, man, it's what it is. Chick-fil-A. Park right here. Alright, let's go get this Chick-fil-A real quick. Alrighty guys, I got this Chick-fil-A for the girls. Now we better head out. I literally just moved here like probably like 5 years ago, or like 4 years ago. This is about to be my 5th year. And honestly, this place is pretty cool. I live like an hour away in Morgantown, West Virginia, and honestly, that place is cool too. I still love it to this day, but this city is a little bit bigger. It's closer to Pittsburgh. There's more things to do. School's a little bit better. So for the girls and stuff, and for my little boy, school's just way better over here. Yeah. I'm about to head out. My stopping has been good. My stopping has been getting a lot better. At first, I think that was like one of the things that scared me the most, was just like stopping, you know, making sure you brake at the right time, not using too much brake or whatever. But yeah, I mean, it just takes practice. I'm still kind of ass, if you guys can notice. Every time I get stopped at a light, I kind of like wiggle a little bit. but I'm getting better. It just takes time. It takes practice. Hopefully we make it all the way to the house with this camera, because I think it was on a low battery. I need to charge it, but I think we will make it. Oh, I just heard a rock. That is no bueno. No bueno. We're almost at 200 miles, guys. Decided to go this way, get a little miles in. Yeah, either way, that light was about to turn yellow. This dude's doing, got his emergencies on. What is he doing? I don't know. What the hell? What the hell? This is what I mean, but I love it here. It's pretty dope. Like, bro, like, look at the views. The views are dope. And then when you go into like in deep in Pennsylvania, like, bro, there's just hella roads. Like everywhere, like it's a long road, it's a pretty road. So I think it's like really nice. Really cool place to live at. And this area, which I live in, Kawasaki, PA, has been growing these last couple years. Like, the whole reason I came over here is to build a business, and we have a restaurant right here down the street where we were at Chick-fil-A, and our business has been doing really good. But before our business was at that location where it's at, there was nothing there. Like, literally, I think there was a hotel next to it, but besides that, there was nothing else. Like, it was just land. And I'm pretty sure you can like go on Google and look at the aerial shot, and I'm pretty sure it's still just but I'm pretty sure it's just strictly just like land on the above picture, and then now it's like full like buildings and stuff and whatnot. But yeah, this place has been freaking dope. It's been a good city to me. I honestly love it. Hopefully in the next couple of years, I'm gonna be buying like a couple of houses around here to do rental properties. That's kind of what like I'm trying to do in the next couple of years. Get away from the restaurant business and just do stuff like that. You know, I think stuff like that's pretty cool. I took a class on it like last year, and it was like really dope, really fun. So we got like 2 more years to like kind of reach that goal of like getting another house and like start renting it out and all that stuff. So this is gonna take time, save a little bit more money, not spend so much, all that good jazz. Alrighty. Bro, this light takes forever, bro. Low key, this left kind of scares me. I ain't gonna cap. Just because it's such a, it's a weird lens. This shit getting hot. Yeah, hot, boy. Hot city in there, bitch. Hi, Boppy. We're at 201 miles right now. Fire, fire. something that it normally does, or it's just telling you to like back off because it's breaking it. Not sure, but I'm gonna give it to 6K. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this thing's fast. This thing is fast. Dude, I almost lived here like the other day. That shit was my neighborhood. Probably gonna cut it off here, but it was pretty fun. If you guys like this video, give it a little like, give it a little comment, man. Shoot a comment, man. You guys like the bike? You guys fuck with the vlog? You guys fuck with anything? Just let me know, man. I really want to know your responses to everything, and I just need you guys to comment. You know, let me know how I'm doing. Tell me how trash I am, and yeah, we'll live a very, very lovely life.